I think both you and I know exactly what I mean when I say broke. I'm not talking about I'm broke but I can still buy food. I'm not talking about I'm broke but I can still afford an Uber. I'm talking about I'm broke. I can't even afford a deodorant. I'm broke. You don't think I know how that feels, bro? If you're watching this video right now, you know exactly how it feels like being isolated from other people just because you don't dress like them. Girls not even looking at you twice because you don't dress nice. I know that. Not to say I like girls, because I don't like them like that, But I know how that feels, bro. Being isolated from society just because you're not cool, you don't dress like other people. I'm tired. I'm tired of this lifestyle. One thing which I have accepted not is poverty. I came to this word poor by default, but I don't want to die poor, bro. And I'm pretty sure that you also don't want to die poor. You don't think I don't know how it feels like to eat the same thing every day, to eat pap every day, huh? You don't think I don't know how it feels like to eat pap and sugar, bro, for dinner? Huh? You don't think I don't know how it feels? I know how it feels, bro. And I'm tired of it. And I'm sure that if you're still watching this video at this point, you're also tired. A lot of us, majority of us, we were born poor by default. But we don't have to die poor. We don't have to die poor, bro. Back at school, they used to laugh at us. They used to laugh at us, bro. We used to wear whack stuff, bro. We didn't have sneakers, bro. We didn't have cool clothes, bro. They used to laugh at us, bro. I remember grade 7, bro. I used to wear soccer foot boots that I worn, bro, to church. They used to laugh at me, bro. You don't think I know how that feels? Huh? You don't think I don't know how it feels when people look at you different just because you're broke? You're coming from a very disadvantaged family, bro. People critiquing your house, bro. People critiquing where you're coming from. You don't think I know how that feels, bro? I know exactly how it feels. All I'm saying is I'm tired, bro. And you should be too. So whatever is it that you're trying to do, bro, don't give up. That's all I can tell you, bro. Keep pushing, bro. Don't you ever give up, bro. Because if not you, who's gonna do it, bro? And nobody's gonna change your life but you, bro. God do it for you. God do it for you, bro. You're not trying to prove it to anybody. You're proving it to yourself, bro. If you've been crying, go wipe those tears with success, bro. I don't know what is it that you believe in, but I believe in God. Pray to God, ask for help. And I'm tired, bro. I'm tired of this. Like, I'm really tired, bro. This is not life, bro. This is not life, Not having food is not life, bro. We dress what we have, not what we need, not what we want. No, bro. That cannot be life. That is not what I signed up for, bro. You know what I mean? I'm tired. You should also be tired, bro. So go work, bro. I wanna swear, bro. Get your ass out there, bro. Go work. Put in the work, bro. If you're tired of poverty, I'm also tired of poverty. But only you. There's no Superman who's coming to save you, bro. It's only you who can save yourself from all this, bro. It's only you who's gonna save you, bro. Your guardian, your parents, or whoever is taking care of you, they failed. Now it's your turn to make things right. Now it's your turn to build that lifestyle that you always wanted. Stop being lazy. Stop procrastinating. If there's a skill that you can learn for free, go learn that skill, bro. Go learn that skill. Bro, I'm tired, bro. Are you not tired? I'm tired, bro, of living like this. I'm tired of dressing. This is not what I want to dress like, bro. But because of financial circumstances, I have to dress like this, bro. I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here. I want to be in a big mansion that I own, bro. I'm tired. That's why I'm going to put in the work. Even if I fail, I will know exactly. I tried. I gave it my best. I gave it my everything, bro. Go do it, bro. Go try your best. That's the only way, bro. That's the only way you can make it. Peace. Oh, smash the sub button. There's a crazy video. Nah, just smash the sub button. Let me not lie to you, bro. Smash the sub button. Yeah. If there's oh my gosh. If there's any other topic that you would like me to talk about, please comment down below. Thank you. Let's grow together.